All right, traders, welcome in. Much love as we do a market review. It's been a minute, so let's get to it. So, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, I have handed off, or I'm in the process of handing off my Forex trading to bots. So it is, I'm getting help from a guy. His name's Alex Hire, and the one Alexander on Twitter. And he's the architect. I'm kind of feel like I'm the overseer. Um, but uh, we resonated on the idea that you want a mathematically quantifiable edge, and you want to be able to flip that coin many times. And with talking with him, I realized that he's doing a better version of what I'm doing, where I'm doing everything manually, and he's a lot better at one. Um, Sourcing, uh, using mathematical backtesting and creating algorithms. So instead of me trying to trade an algorithmic system myself, which has been quite frustrating actually, I've had I have bots running now actually at low size, and hopefully by within the next 2 weeks I'm gonna have be trading with a large size. But just to show you an example of like my frustration. This was a trade that I took and it was a loss. So the reason it was a loss is because based on my own algorithm that I created, depending on the daily close, my stop is supposed to be at 2/3 one ATR and my TP is supposed to be twice of that. So in theory, this trade is a win. But what happened was at the end of the Friday close here, it showed a dump, and then they came back on Sunday and changed the candle. So the price actually closed like this, and um, I got just survived that, and then got just barely stopped out right here. And it was not a small loss. It was a $2,000 loss, which could have been a $4,000 win. And it's because the broker went back and changed the candle. I was like, what the fuck? So I'm like, the problem isn't with the broker, the problem is me trying to trade like a bot by myself. So, I could have come in and send it, changed the stop. I don't know. I just thought I didn't even look, didn't know the candle. There's been all kinds of frustrations like that where, okay, I have a system that has edge, but um, manually backtesting it's slow, and manually trading it's slow, or manually trading it's riddled with errors like this. And through working with Alex Hire, we're able to get a more quantifiable, back-tested suite of bots. So I mean, technically I'm trading like 40 different strategies, right? Because I'm trading 40 different pairs. But I have a correlation problem where all the USDs might trigger at the same time, and then I lose all of them or win all of them, which happened. I lost a lot of USD trades. I lost a lot of AUD trades. And um, through working with Alex to make things measure correlation and create a smoother equity return. But the main thing is handing it off to algorithms to undo these, to get around these errors, because I can have a system that produces wins, but the errors happen for various reasons of just it doesn't come out quite like the back testing. So I'm pretty stoked on that, and I think that's how I would want to go moving forward, is like hire a quant to work for me. If I lost him, I would try to hire another quant probably. All that said, I'm having him run my Forex accounts, and soon I'm going to have him running. I'm basically going to fund it heavily, but I'm still playing with the idea of trading my own accounts, investment assets. So, in paper trading right now, you can see I'm floating $7,000 in unrealized P&L, and the main system that I'm running here is buying monthly sweeps on investment assets, no shorts, just buy monthly sweeps. And then if I'm in a monthly sweep and a weekly sweep occurs, then I could consider an add-on. We don't have that yet. So gold is probably not a very good buy here. So it's one of yeah, but I'm just kind of paper trading while I wait for the Forex to come online. So yeah, gold is maybe not the best, but and there were a couple losses coming down. I'm trying to buy some of these. I think US 30, trying to buy on this day. I'm trying to buy here. But some of them have stuck and are running at pretty decent risk reward. So my strategy here is to just hold for a high target with the understanding that it's going to be a low win rate. I'm going to creep my stop up here and there, but I'm going to get stopped out on a lot of these. But I mean, eventually there will be a trade like this where I catch the low and I hold it all the way up for 30R. And that's the strategy for investment assets. It's be in the market a long time and mainly try to buy low prices and hold for high prices. I'm okay with buying a breakout of a long consolidation, but once we're moving to new all-time highs, I do not. It's like the fifth all-time high, the third all-time high. I don't like being a buyer, so I like waiting for monthlies. So I managed to stick monthlies buys on US 100, US 2000, and EU 50, and I've been sitting in these for over a trading week now, and just chilling. Now, again, I'm paper trading because all my funds are in Forex, but I still want to continue to trade. And I'm able to trade this way from no time, like 15 minutes a day, where I just see, well, did we hit a monthly or no? Don't advance my stop, not really. Now, I'm also in ETH. I got in on that Saturday here. I added on, which is why it shows my entry much higher, and it might not work out. I hate adding on. Adding on is stupid. But um, I bought right here. I was paying attention during that first hour when the Israel-Iran thing happened, and I was like, you know what, let me just put on a position. That said, I don't expect this position to stick. It'd be great if it does. It might, but I feel like crypto is kind of cooked right now. I mean, you don't need to be a heart surgeon to see that it's just not looking super great for it's not looking super great for crypto. I want to hide everything, hide all. Bitcoin, total three. Total three looks bad. Like it didn't even make it that. I mean, it might get another push, but come on, we had an insane push up, and this is typically what happens. One thrust, and that's it. Maybe an up thrust after a really sharp move down. 2021 was sort of unusual, where we had three peaks, but yeah, not really looking great. And a lot of the positions I had been in crypto uh, were stopped. Although, yeah, I tried Bitcoin and got stopped. I was in Doge longs up here. When things are going good, I'm okay trading the weeklies, but yeah, I'm basically just trying to stick to monthly levels. And then I'm also paying attention to commodities where, oh, I tried to sell cocoa, but it has weird market hours, and I set a limit, and it didn't fill, which is okay. But I tried to sell like this. Um, I guess maybe I should have done a stop, but I don't know. I mean, this isn't really a system trade. It was just like, okay, it's been an insane rally. It's been an insane rally going for months and months and months and months and months. And it finally started to get really choppy. And we've had 4 out of 5 red days, which did not happen basically this whole move up. Um, so I was like, what if I just, and commodities can't go up forever because the weather changes and you can grow the thing again, or other people plant it. So I'm not going to jump in that though. Cocoa didn't get the fill. Just paying attention to some of these. Copper. I put wheat on my chart down here. I don't really care that much. Um, I don't love trading commodities because of the weird trading hours, and they can be gappy. And some of these gaps could kill you. Like this cattle gap, if you happen to be long here and it opens up and your stops here, say, and it opens up down here, you lose so much money. So I don't really like that. Anyways, much love and happy trading. That's all the update for me for now. Peace.